guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2. Its name is a huge title, so I won't be repeating it. I will be just saying Season 2. But yeah, we are finally going to do it. It's just released the episode and I'm quite excited to get to it. But before going to the reaction, I would like to request you guys to please guys, if you like this reaction or my any other reactions, please subscribe, like and share and push the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. By doing this, by interacting with the video, you will be telling the YouTube algorithm that you guys like this kind of videos and it will push these videos to other people too. And that's the greatest help you guys can do for me. So please guys, please do it. It's free to do. I hope you guys do it. And now, with that being said, I would like to talk a little about Blue Lock before going to the episode 1. Like, I have seen season 1 and it is one of the best sports anime I have seen. Like, it is definitely top among all the other sports anime. Of course, the animation is a little bit junky. Like, it is kind of like a CGI mess maybe. I don't remember properly about season 1. Like, it's been so long since I watched it. But yeah, I do remember being excited, feeling that type of energy and entertainment during the matches and seeing that ego being a big part of the game. So yeah, I'm excited guys. I'm definitely excited. I have not seen the trailer of season 2, so I'm going in blind. I don't know, I don't even remember properly what was the end of the season 1. Like something happened with Rin and everything. Maybe hopefully they will recap it. I have not watched it. I wanted to go in blind and see how much I remember. So if I get something wrong or I interpret something wrong, please be kind with me. But I will definitely pick up things fairly quickly. I am like that. So yeah, with that being said, I'm excited guys. I'm excited how the World Cup is going to happen, how everything is going to go, because we truly cannot predict what's going to happen in Blue Lock. Like, they can lose a game that they are winning and that kind of thing. But yeah, I'm excited for the ego and everything. So without wasting much time, let's get to the episode's reaction. Man, I hope they recap it. I just remember it in clips. Wow, the animation. Who are these guys? Oh wow, okay, Rin's backstory. That's going to be cool. That's why he was in the Blue Lock program. He failed. Makes sense why he was in there. Wow. Wow. That too against Rin. Yeah. Man, this guy is wild. Okay, big bro. Yeah, not improved. But what is this bet? Yeah. Why is this dramatic? I know Blue Lock is dramatic, but why? What? What was that? A dinosaur? Confidential. He's the best player right now, right? In the whole... Man, I missed Igo-kun. Yeah. The debt must be through the roof. So yeah, sorry, it was not a World Cup, it was U20 Japan Cup. Sorry, I was wrong about that in the discussion. It was not a World Cup. But yeah. And wow, maybe the U20 Japan has... The star player has Rin's brother. Man, this is going to get interesting. The animation is smooth till now. Man, they killed the OP opening song, so yeah, I'm excited. The animation is smooth and crispy also, so I'm here for it. Hopefully this translates into the... Wow, the shading also. Hopefully this translates into the match too. 35, wow. Yeah, that's the brother of Rin, right? Cool. Man, it's so dramatic. The eyes, they are so sharp. I like this. Man, okay, they are recapping it. Come on. Yeah, this is what I want. Cool. Well, that was evident since the beginning, right? No surprise there. They told you before joining the Blue Lock. Yeah, there are a total of 35s. But who will accept that? That's wrong, right? What? Huh? Yeah. Wow. Wow, 6 out of the 35. So they don't know the ranking right now. Of course. Makes sense. He was so desperate and childlike in the flashback, being acting like a mysterious guy here. Wow, I have seen him in the edits. I don't know much about him. Nice. Let's see. We have not seen him till now, right? Oh wow, our guy knows him. But his design, his character design is cool. And of course, he looks like the child of Mikasa and Eren. What? Who is that? Wow, new characters. That's cool. Man, only two left. Only one left. Come on. But I don't think so that's going to happen. Ah, of course. Makes sense. Man, they are beefing right now, right? Whew. Wow, they two are in the one team. Man, this is getting too complex. Oh wow, that makes sense. What? Only one chance. Why is this guy getting excited? Oh wow. Who is that? Ah, my guy. That's cool. Wow, okay, they have to shine even when there are top 6 among them. So yeah, they have to outshine them in some way or another. Prove them. Wow. Makes sense. Make them kneel. Wow. It is making me hyped up too. That's cool. Of course, Bachi. Bachi will be teaming up with Isagi. Yeah. Buckle up. Wow, all of these guys are staying together. Still. I don't remember him. Sorry, guys. Man, so many thus. As a middle name. Oh wow. Yeah, he was eliminated, right? That's sad. I remember him. Yeah, you can't have grudges. Exactly. They are also on the thin line. They don't have the time or chance to feel bad about others. Wow. That is cool. He has to put down Rin. That's when he will shine. He is going to choose Group A, definitely. He has to put him down. That's the only way. Man, his hair color and everything. So cool. Antenna head. Wow. Whoa. Isn't it banned? Physical altercation? Wow, that was cool. Oh wow. He was watching it. It was a biological need. It's not just football. That's cool. But they have to work together. He said the opposite thing to them. Man, this is going to be awesome. I'm getting goosebumps already. Cool. Yeah, don't get worried by them. Yeah, they're oxymorons kind of way. Yeah, he has only one game, right? Unlike Bachi. Wow, he is here too. Baro. Yeah, the king of the court. Oh wow. That was nice of him. So cool seeing the rivals being like that. That's nice. Wow, he's here too. The mastermind. The anti-protagonist of this show. Is he trying to choose Group C? Oh wow, he doesn't want to show his eyes. Wow. This is a nice shot.
リンのいる相手は
Yeah, but he is going to team up with Group A because he is trying to being a group
レオ
egoist.
俺も同じだをバラバラにした
Yeah, exactly. He was the reason of their breakup.
そうすると横に並んで戦える自信
Don't say that. You're not being egoist. Come on.
このタイミングを逃したらもう次はないような気はしてるレオありがとなお前のおかげで決心ついたよ
What's that going to be?
何が正解かじゃないんだ俺が選んだ道を間違いじゃないって証
And
明
that's
し
the
て
right answer. It doesn't matter which team. You just have to shine.
投票が速やかに終了
Man. Excited. This guy is interesting too.
それでは
Let's
振
see.
り分けられたチーム
らを決めるトライアウト
Exactly.
俺が選んだチームは
Of course, as I
俺
thought.
が今
As I said at the start of the episode itself. Of course.
あちらも俺と同じ A チ
Yeah.
ーム希望固まるあレオも
Wow, yeah. He chose
やっぱり
Nagi.
お前はなんだな
Makes sense.
トライアウト共存だ
Yeah, you have to figure it out what
あい
is
つら
meant.
の間には
What he meant by that.
できるかが
Exactly. Come on. The next episode it is. The tryouts.
おいちゃん
What's this?
わかっ
Union Special Advisor. Wow.
はい日
What?
本サッカー界のために
Are they plotting something?
ありえません
That's nice. The evil laughter.
さすがは連合以外のことというわけだ頼んだよキャプテン
That's
Oh,
nice. What? Who is he? Isn't Rin's brother the captain?
証明する
Man,
俺だ
I'm ready for this. There seems to be some, yeah, additional time. Let's check that out.
いやトライアウトに備えろ
Yeah, what's their training going to consist of?
5人で寝ろ
Wow. Yeah,
やだ
that's a nice way. Always the best way.
じゃんけん
になりたくないやつ指さそうや
Everyone will point to
に
Rin.
なるルールでどうよ
He is the intelligent one.
せーの
Yeah, I thought so. He got what he want.
一人部屋でいい
Yeah.
まあいっかこれ
Wow, Nagi and Rin in the same.
よろしくメガネ
Group.
君
This is going to be cool. Nagi and Rin together.
お前も
Yeah, they both are, yeah. The Spikehead group. They are cool, all of this bunch. So guys, the episode ended there. It was a cool first episode. Of course, there was no match happening, there was no action. But yeah, Blue Lock is not only about football matches and everything. It is about the management, the ego, the interactions between the ego-driven players. Yeah, so yeah, this was a cool episode 1. They have set up the whole season properly, like where this is going to end and what's going to happen. So it was a nice setup and everything. And yeah, I think so everything has been recapped properly. Like I think so where I know where we are now exactly. So we are going to go against the actual nationals team and try to dethrone them. I don't know if they are going to. Hopefully and most probably they are going to, or the anime won't exist, or the Blue Lock won't exist. So anyway, so we know that's going to happen. But how that is going to happen, that's the most exciting thing. So I'm here for it. I don't know how Isagi is going to trump everyone, because I truly don't see him as that talented of a player as others like Rin, or I have not even seen that spiky pink haired guy, but I already know he's a monster. But yeah, it's going to be interesting how Isagi is going to top all of them. And seeing Nagi, man, Nagi is a superstar. Of course, he has a film with his name on it, so yeah, he is a superstar. And so that's going to be interesting. And as we have seen in the post-credit scene or the additional time, Nagi and Rin are teaming up. I don't know if that is going to move forward or anything, but yeah, that was cool. That was cool seeing those two monsters butting head. I don't remember if they have butted head in the previous season. I don't remember it, sorry. But yeah, cool episode, cool characters. Again, it's been so long since we've seen Ego, and it was nice to see his motivation, his motivational speech to each and everyone, catered to each and everyone. So yeah, that was great. I know so many people are going to get eliminated now. So many, like that Monk guy too. I don't know why he's getting excited. I don't know how he's going to survive. But yeah, we have the king. We have that redhead princess type of dude. So many characters, man. How will they survive? This is wild. And that's what makes the Blue Lock anime such a great anime. There are so many great characters, so many great players that have been written, so we don't want any of them going. So yeah, this is going to be full of heartbreaks this season. But as I said, for the 4th or 5th time I'm here for it. I hope so you guys are too. I hope so you enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and I hope so you enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this reaction thing, I do need any kind of feedback, input, suggestion that I can get from you guys to increase my production value, to improve my video quality and everything. And I need I need your input in those things, guys. So please guys, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and every one of them. So please guys, please do it. Please interact with this video, and that would greatly help me, guys. That would motivate me too. And finally, thank you to those who have been doing all of those things since so long, who have been subscribing, sharing these videos to their friends, liking, commenting, and most importantly, coming back to the videos each and every week. Thank you guys, thank you for your support. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.